He's fighting now to keep his yellow jersey, which he thought he would keep at least until he got into the Pyrenees.
Ready?
No, the boys are in trouble because of a crack here. And this is Stuart O'Grady now, who is an excellent team time driver.
Nice.
With 2 kilometres to go, it's job done for Stuart. He's letting the team race to their 5th man all the time. Well, Stuart O'Grady, I think, must have given them some massive turns at the front. This is the second to last team.
Okay, Ben, your turn. Jump.
They are the team that have the